it's him. And let me shut my door. Sorry if I bad lighting. But anyways, today I am going to be seeing if I can change just regular old plain kinetic sand into like different colors just with dye. So first you need kinetic sand to do this experiment. I don't know if that works, but we're gonna see. Then just some plain old food coloring. And then a place to store like your kinetic sand, like where you're mixing it. And then a mixing tool. So I'm just using a plastic spoon. Okay, so I'm just gonna scoop a little amount up. And yeah. So first I'm just gonna put like a little placemat down right here. I don't really know if you can see it, but yeah. So because I don't want to get it like everywhere all dirty and stuff. This might be like maybe a short video, I don't know. I'm trying not to make it so it's so packed in there. So I'm just gonna put it on top of this thing. I have a question. Do you guys want me to do an intro? Because I will if you want me to. Well, most of the time probably. Okay, so there's that sand. So I think I'm first just gonna color it pink just because I like the color pink. So I'm first just gonna start off with one drop. So I have no idea if this will dye your hands or anything, so do not do this experiment if it doesn't work, because if it doesn't work, I'm wasting some of my kinetic sand. Here, I'll just do a time lapse of this. Okay, so this does not work. It dyes my hands and it really just doesn't work. So I do not recommend this. Comment down below if you do know a way to change the color or if you just have to deal with it. Like this dyed my hands and I have to go to church tomorrow and dang it. I was really hoping that this would work. Well, maybe it works with different colors, but I do not feel like getting my hands dyed. Like at first it was looking good in the container. I'm like, oh yeah, we've got this. But then it's like, nope. So yeah, I do not recommend this. I'm just gonna leave this in this container because it's gonna die everywhere if it leaves the container. See, like there's even like dye marks in the container. Like maybe there's, comment down below if you know if there's like another way or if you just have to deal with the color. But tomorrow I'm going to be making another slime video. This wasn't really a slime video, but I'm going to be adding kinetic sand into, well, I think I am, maybe in a few days because I need some contact solution. But anyways, yeah. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below if you know a way how to dye your kinetic sand. And yeah. So please subscribe because I'm doing a challenge for me so I can hopefully get 50 subscribers by the end of the year. And give it a big thumbs up. Check out my channel, Hannah's American Girl Doll channel. Check out my other American Girl Doll. Brain fart restart. Okay, make sure you check out my channel, Hannah's American Girl Doll channel. I will hopefully put a link in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye. It's for real, actually, like dyes your hands. So like, oh my gosh, hopefully it comes off. I'll update you guys if it does. Food dye is not coming off of my hands. You freaking pink food dye. anyways, yeah. Bye guys. Don't do this.